Welcome to Digital Art for Beginners. This is my brand new intro. I'm recording this intro on February 20th of 2018 because I've made some updates and I'm continuously updating this course. Now, for those of you wondering, this course is going to work on two different layers, I should say. I know that there are some of you that already know how to draw and you're trying to make the transition into digital art. I ask that you keep an open mind because I also know that there are people that have never really drawn before. So I'm trying to do both, or trying to address both. Because if you've never drawn digital before, then you're going to have to treat yourself like you're a brand new artist as well. And I decided to make a brand new intro, not just because of the new content, but there are some things that I want to address. I also take courses here on Udemy, and I've also have seen other courses where the instructor doesn't update anything or doesn't listen to any feedback. Well, I'm not that instructor. I do listen to feedback, which is why I updated the course. Now, I didn't take anything away from this course. The only thing that I'm really taking away is the old intro and bringing in the new intro so that you can get a much better overview of what this course is now entailing. I didn't want to take any away the old content. And by old content, I don't mean that it's outdated. I don't mean that it is not good content. But as of this recording, this was my very first course that I had here on Udemy. And I'm a much stronger instructor. And some of the older content is a little bit longer. So I do ask that you bear with me. Also, I do understand the fact that I have international students. I understand that now. I didn't really realize that before when I first started out. So the way that I teach, I do speak a little bit relaxed. And I am relaxed because I don't read off of a script. I personally cannot draw and talk at the same time. It's just not something that I can do. And I don't like doing voiceovers because I think it kind of takes you out of the drawing teaching experience. But fear not, if you have, as we go to course content, and I got this right here. If I go and look right here to one of my newer videos that's on buying your first graphics tablet, for those of you that have not bought it, if you look over here, over in the bottom left hand corner, you can just speed up my voice a little bit if you think that I'm just talking a little bit too relaxed for you. So let's take a look at what this course entails. First of all, this section is an introduction, and there might be another video here depending. The second section is for first-time graphics tablet users. So this is all about those of you that are just starting to draw on a graphics tablet, and some of you that might be transitioning to a different tablet or something to that effect. And so I have a little section here for you guys that have been drawing. Maybe you have been drawing before on a tablet or have not. So I just wanted to make that there because you can't really do digital art with a mouse. You might be able to get away with doing some 8-bit style pixel art with a mouse, but that's not what this course is about. Section 3 is all about lines. I've added some new videos there. And just to let you know, when you see the date, the reason why I have the dates there is to let you know that I've updated this course. Now, some of the course work, this is the old mixed with the new videos. And hopefully it's not going to be too confusing to you. So instead of me taking out information, I just wanted to add more. Some of it a few videos might overlap, meaning I might say the same thing over again in a different way. But that shouldn't bother you. You're just getting more practice. Section 4 is all about making some shapes. Section 5 is organic shapes. Section 6, we talk a bit about drawing from observation. And Section 7, putting it together. This is a section that I added from my YouTube channel that I used to have. And the thing about this is that these existed before I started really teaching very much of anything. they did help out a lot of people, and they got the biggest, best reviews, the best feedback out of anything I did on the YouTube channel. So I included it here for you. Now keep in mind that it is in the context of a YouTube video, so please take that into consideration. And there are some things that I might mention that don't necessarily apply to the course because it's kind of done on YouTube, but it's really good information in here. It does teach you how to put all the basic shapes together. I even show you how to make a really basic figure, a basic mannequin. So for those of you that want to get into doing comics and things. Section 8, I do have a section called Time to Get Digital. I kind of go over some digital terms and some other things. Section 9 is an introduction to digital coloring. Section 10 is What's Next, where I talk about some other avenues that you could explore within digital art. I gave a bonus section called Learning Sketchbook Pro. This is before I had the Sketchbook Pro, the entire course, but you're still going to learn Sketchbook Pro, and that's a bonus to you. And in this last section, I have Student Q&A, which allows me to get some feedback from you guys and for you to ask me something, because I don't know what you don't know. Now, I've been doing digital art for about maybe 15 years, and I've been teaching for overall on my own and then online in the platform for maybe about 5 years. So I don't know what you don't know. So you got to help me with that. If there's something in this course that you found that you are missing, or I didn't go over, or you want to know more about, let me know. As you can see, I will add new videos. I want to add new videos and I want to interact with you. It's important to me as an instructor that you learn how to both draw and to be comfortable within the digital realm. This isn't going to cover every single possibility of digital art that there could be. And I do realize that I'm touching on a little bit of everything, but this is a good overview. By the way, this is not really a short course. It's going to take you some time. Be patient with yourself. If there is something that I am missing, again, let me know. I have no problem with talking to you. And please, if you want to put any work in there, put it in the Q&A section. As you can see, I respond. I always respond. And I usually respond within 24 hours. I just want to leave you by saying that I do not want to be the instructor that does not pay attention to you or does not fulfill the needs that you have artistically. I want to make this course better and better. And I can only do that with your feedback and with your help. So hopefully this was not too long of an intro. I do appreciate all of you taking this journey with me. Thank you so much for choosing me as your instructor, and I will do my very best to always improve this course. So for those of you out there that are non-native English speakers, I want to let you know that one of the reasons why I talk at a deliberately relaxed pace is for you, and it's also for students that do need that. So like I said, if you got to speed my voice up, that's fine. If there's something that you already know, go ahead and skip the video. Mark it as complete. It's okay. I do want to make this the very best course that it can be. If I'm missing something, let me know. Because again, I don't know what you don't know. So I'm going to stop talking, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Or I should say I will see you in the next video, and hopefully you guys can post some stuff in the Q&A section and you can ask me questions. But I'm going to stop now so you can get started. All right.